Reactions of metals with water. Apparatus, beakers. Chemicals, samples of various metals. Important note, sodium metal should not be taken. Water. Procedure. Drop a piece of each of the metal in separate beakers filled with cold water. Which metal reacts with water? Potassium metal reacts rapidly and vigorously with water. Which metal floats on water? Why? Calcium metal floats on water. The hydrogen gas released in this reaction collects on the surface of this metal in the form of bubbles, and the metal floats on water. The table below illustrates the observations taken when different metals are placed in water. So the table shows the metals, reaction, order of reactivity, and the products formed. Potassium shows violent reaction with cold water, floats and catches fire. It is first in the order of reactivity, most reactive. Products: potassium hydroxide, KOH, and hydrogen gas. Metal, sodium, has very vigorous reaction with cold water, floats, can be lit with a lighted splint. It is second in the order of reactivity. Products: sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and hydrogen gas. Calcium, less vigorous reaction with cold water. Third in the order of reactivity. Products: calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, and hydrogen gas. Magnesium, very slow reaction with cold water but vigorous with steam. Fourth in the order of reactivity. Products: magnesium oxide, MgO, and hydrogen gas. Zinc, quite slow reaction with steam. Fifth in the order of reactivity. Zinc oxide, ZNO, and hydrogen gas are the products. Next metal is iron. It shows slow reaction with steam. It is sixth in the order of reactivity. Products: iron oxide, Fe2O3, and hydrogen gas. Copper shows no reaction with steam. It is seventh in the order of reactivity. It is the least reactive. Sodium and potassium metal react rapidly and vigorously with water and liberate hydrogen gas. 2Na solid plus 2H2O liquid gives 2NaOH aqueous plus H2 gas plus heat is liberated. 2K solid plus 2H2O liquid gives 2KOH aqueous plus H2 gas plus heat. On the other hand, calcium reacts with water slowly and less vigorously. The hydrogen gas released in this reaction collects on the surface of the metal in the form of bubbles, and the metal floats on water. 2Ca solid plus 2H2O liquid gives 2CaOH twice aqueous plus H2 gas. The metals aluminium, iron and zinc do not react with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form their oxides. Hydrogen gas is released in this reaction. 2Al solid plus 3H2O gas gives Al2O3 solid plus 3H2 gas. 3Fe solid plus 4H2O gas gives Fe3O4 solid plus 4H2 gas. Zn solid plus H2O gas gives ZNO solid plus H2 gas. Try out and think about it. Test whether the metals gold, silver and copper react with water and think over the finding. The metals gold, silver and copper do not react with water.